Hi friends, good morning. I am on Odoo 17.2 now, and Odoo 17.2 is released, and I would like to showcase a new feature which Odoo has added. The feature is old, like which was available with version uh, you know 17, that is product catalog, and that product catalog now you know we can use in sales and purchase, but with improvement I can see product catalog in manufacturing also. So if I am operating with any manufacturing order, I am creating a manufacturing order, then so here when I am using a bill of material, so desk combination is bill of material. Over here now you can find catalog, so very quickly you can go and add your products into the BOM very easily. Okay, so this is feature is inside the BOM also, and when you are trying to release a new manufacturing order for existing BOM, and if you want to add any new product, you can just go to your catalog and just add your product on the fly. So this catalog feature is now available in component view inside manufacturing order, inside the BOM, as well as in byproduct. So if you want to register any byproduct and you want to pick from a list, you can easily check it out from here. A very small feature but important feature to quickly add my product in BOM component during MO, during BOM creation, and during byproduct registration. Hope this small change will impact a lot of people who want to use this catalog feature inside manufacturing order. Thank you.